Thank you for choosing Capture One Pro 10 as your primary raw converter and asset manager. The following short video will orientate you with the interface and help you get started to work on your images. There are two methods of image management in Capture One. Images can either be stored in a session-based workflow or a catalogue workflow. Sessions are unique to Capture One and offer a convenient way to store raw images alongside any outputs, selects, and rejected images. It is particularly useful when capturing tethered. A catalogue is more useful if you wish to keep track of a larger body of work with simple ways to organize, search, and filter your images. The rest of this introduction will be carried out in a catalogue. To create a new catalogue, go to File, New Catalogue. Decide on a name and destination for your catalogue and click OK. To import images, go to File, Import Images, or press the icon in the center of the screen. Select where to import image files from and click Open. All memory cards will be automatically detected. Select where to import images to. Choosing the Inside Catalogue option will copy images directly inside the Capture One catalogue database. Otherwise, choose to leave the images in their current location or choose a new destination. Complete the rest of the options on the left-hand side of the Import dialog and then click Import. The Activity Monitor will open showing the import process. Once the import has finished, the images will appear as thumbnails in the browser. First, let's look at the different areas of the Capture One Pro 10 default workspace and how to start working with your images. On the left-hand side is the Tool area, divided into several tool tabs. These tool tabs contain all the necessary tools to work with your images in Capture One. Like many elements of Capture One, this can be customized to your own needs and subsequently saved in a personal workspace. The toolbar contains clickable icons which enable various functions or trigger certain actions, for example triggering auto adjustments. The center of the toolbar contains cursor tools which change the behavior of the cursor, for example selecting the crop tool. Some cursor tools have additional options by clicking and holding. Thumbnails are shown on the right-hand side in the browser. Selected images are displayed in the viewer. Catalogue management takes place within the Library tool tab. The Library tool is used to display and organize the current catalogue. You will see that it is split into three sections: Catalogue collections, user collections, and folders. The contents of catalogue collections cannot be changed and shows fixed albums of all the images in the current catalogue, recent imports, recent captures, and the trash. The user collections area allows the creation of albums, smart albums, projects, and groups to help organize your images. The folders area shows the exact location of images that reside in your catalogue. Basic image corrections like levels, exposure, clarity, and high dynamic range are found in the Exposure tool tab. White balance is found in the Color tool tab, along with the extremely powerful Color Editor and Color Balance tool. Adjustments are made by either dragging the slider, entering numerical values, or using the cursor keys to change value. Tool values can be previewed by Option or Alt-clicking the Reset icon. Slider values can be reset to 0 by double-clicking them. All tool values can be reset by clicking the Reset icon. All adjustments can be reset to default by clicking on the Master Reset button on the toolbar. Some tools have an auto function. Click the A icon in the corresponding tool. Tool presets, for example set values of a tool, can be saved and recalled here. Finally, new defaults for an individual tool can be set from the menu here. Capture One may show different defaults for different cameras. Explore Capture One's extensive set of adjustments by clicking through the other tool tabs. If you want to know more about a specific tool, click the Help icon. Images needing the same adjustment from any tool can easily be adjusted by using Copy and Apply commands. Adjust an image to the desired result and then click on the Copy icon in the toolbar. Any adjustments that are not suitable to be copied over, for example a crop, can be deselected before application in the Adjustments clipboard. Select further images that would benefit from the same image adjustments. To apply the same adjustment from the initial image to the selected images, click on the Apply icon in the toolbar. This method works with multiple adjustments. However, it is just as simple to copy individual tool adjustments from one image to several other images. Select images as before and adjust the individual tool values that are needed for multiple images. Click on the Copy Apply icon in the tool itself. Select or deselect any tool parameters and then click Apply. Now this adjustment is copied to all selected images. To quickly apply one or more adjustments to images in Capture One, use the Styles and Presets tool. Presets are adjustments from individual tools that can be quickly applied to one or more images. Styles work in a similar way to presets, but can include as many tools as needed. To learn more about styles and presets, watch the tutorial Working with Styles and Presets. Once you are happy with your adjustments applied to your images, they can be exported in a variety of image formats. Select one or more images to export, then choose File, Export Images, then Variants. The Export dialog will open. First, choose a location for the exported files. Choose a naming format for the exports. Leaving the format set to image name will retain the raw file name in the export. Click here to adjust the naming format. The recipe is the parameters which will form the basis of the image output, for example the file format and scale. Many different file formats can be selected from the pull-down menu here. The File, Adjustments and Metadata tab contain further options for output. Click on Export to complete the process. The activity monitor will open showing the progress of the export. However, as this is a background process, you can continue to work on your images. If you are routinely exporting in different or multiple formats, it will be more efficient to design process recipes for specific output types. Multiple recipes can be chosen and executed to expedite the export process. Recipes can also export to different locations and use tokens to decide on the final path. To learn more about this feature, watch the Exporting Images to Final Formats tutorial. To learn more about Capture One Pro 10, don't forget to use the help icons around the application indicated by a question mark, and the written help page is accessible here.